Behind me you can see a pretty typical alpine wetland area in Otago. These swales in this landscape are really important for providing the water to the rivers downstream. These big wetland areas are slowly accumulating peat. There's lots of vegetation in there that is absorbing a lot of water and holding it back in the system like a big sponge. That water is slowly coming out of these headwater streams into the bigger creeks and provide that flow that's important for downstream ecosystems and communities. Loganburn Reservoir was a reservoir built in the 1980s to provide water that's used now for irrigation down in the Maniatoto. Before it was a lake, it was a place known as the Great Moss Swamp. It was a much bigger wetland ecosystem like what we see up here, but down there it was much more extensive. It was full of peat, meters deep of peat, and it was probably hydrologically also very important for the river in retaining a lot of that summer flow as well. Today we're here working for the Taieri Ngā Awa project, Te Mana o Taieri it's called. We're doing catchment scale monitoring throughout the entire river catchment. We've got 21 sites set up and we're visiting these sites to make measurements on the physical characteristics, nutrient and the chemical characteristics and the biodiversity values that these systems have. And we'll use all this information to try and understand the health of these waterways. This is going to be a very long-term monitoring project. It's anticipated that over time we'll start to see changes due to climate change, but in the shorter period we'll also start picking up changes that might be due to land use, and so that will give us the knowledge to be able to better protect the waterway.